How to add a BMW G-Chassis BDC2 key by bench with VAPON VP100, 2015 to 2021 models. Hey there, tech wizards and automotive pros. Quick question to kick things off. Do you know how to safely program a BMW G-Chassis key without plugging into the car? Think you do? Drop your answer in the comments right now. And stay tuned to see if you're right. Welcome back to the channel, your trusted source for everything automobile diagnostics, programming, and electronic wizardry. If this is your first time here, don't scroll away. You just stumbled upon a gold mine of knowledge, especially if you deal with BMWs. But before we dive deep into today's awesome tutorial, I've got a heartfelt request. Over 80% of you watch my videos regularly, but haven't hit that subscribe button yet. If this video even slightly helps you today, please show some love. Tap that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you never miss a diagnostic gem. And while you're at it, hit like and comment your thoughts down below. Your support fuels this channel and helps us keep creating top-tier content for automotive legends like you. Now let's get into today's deep dive. How to add a new key to BMW G-Chassis models from 2015 to 2021 using the VAPON VP100. And guess what? You won't even need to plug into the vehicle directly. We're doing this completely on the bench. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're a seasoned technician or someone learning the ropes of BMW programming, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the whole process, clearly, calmly, and in plain language. You'll know exactly what to do and what to expect every step of the way. Let's go. We're working with the VAPON VP100, a specialist tool built to work flawlessly with BMW G-Chassis models equipped with a BDC2 system. This includes cars made between 2015 and 2021. Step 1. Backup encoding. We begin by connecting the VP100 to the BDC2 module. Make sure the connections are secure. Once connected, we select the function called backup encoding. This step is crucial. The device will read and securely save the module's original coding data, kind of like taking a backup of your phone before doing a major update. Once it finishes, you'll get a confirmation message on the screen. Simple, right? Step 2. Pre-processing data. Now disconnect all cables. Yes, completely unplug everything. Next, grab your BDC2 adapter and connect it to the BDC2 module first. Then hook it up to the VP100 key programmer. Start the pre-processing procedure. Just follow the on-screen steps. They guide you through one by one, so no guesswork here. Here's a quick rundown of what happens. You enter boot programming mode. The system downloads BOOTLOAD in bench mode and passes security authentication. Then it reads the flash data, essential for accessing the key info. Next, it restores something called SWFL, basically software firmware files. Finally, it restores encoded files to bring everything back to a working state. Once all of this is done, your pre-processing is complete, and we move to the exciting part. Key creation. Step 3. Generate dealer key. Disconnect the adapter and go back to the original VP100 to BDC2 connection setup. Now, select Generate Dealer Key. First, insert the original key into the RFID slot on the VP100. This allows the device to read the key's unique information. Once it gathers that data, take the new key and insert it into the same slot. Now here's where the magic happens. The VP100 writes the original key info into the new key, creating a fully functional dealer-level key. Step 4. Enable the key. Now that you've got your freshly programmed key, it's time to make the vehicle recognize it. Insert the new key into the ignition and hold the start button for 15 seconds. Yes, it's a bit longer than usual, but it's worth the wait. On the VP100, select the Learn Key function. If everything went smoothly, you'll see confirmation that your newly added key, like key 8, for example, has been successfully programmed. Final steps. Now go ahead and reinstall the BDC2 module back into the vehicle. Before you wrap up, be sure to test both the original and new keys to confirm they work perfectly. If all's good, give yourself a high five. You just added a new key to a BMW like a pro. Before we wrap, here's an exciting update you'll want to know. The VAPON VP100 is currently focused on BMW G-Chassis models, but future updates will unlock support for BMW CAS3, CAS4 series, and even BMW motorcycles. Oh, and an all-keys loss solution for G-Chassis vehicles is already in development. That's going to be a game changer for the industry. Now I'd love to know, have you ever used the VP100 for key programming, or do you rely on other tools? Drop your experiences in the comments. Let's learn from each other. And hey, share this video with your garage crew or any techs who work on BMWs. Trust me, they'll thank you for it. My personal take, the VP100 feels like it was made to eliminate guesswork. From backing up coding to prepping data, writing keys, and activating them, it's seamless. For bench mode programming on newer BMWs, this is easily one of the most straightforward and powerful tools I've tested in a long time. What's your take? Would you trust the VP100 with a G-Chassis in your shop? Let me know down below. Alright, remember that question from the beginning? Do you need to connect the VP100 directly to the car to program a new key? The answer is no. This entire process is done on the bench without needing to plug into the car itself. Super safe, super efficient. If you stuck around till the end, you're awesome. Thanks for investing your time in learning something new today. Don't forget, smash that like button, drop a comment, and if you're feeling generous, hit that super thanks button to support the channel. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already, because we've got more real-world automotive guides, tool reviews, and pro tips headed your way. See you next time, and until then, happy diagnosing.